Hello friends, welcome to our channel techformationgiver. Today we are going to talk about Motorola's latest smartphone, the Moto G Stylus 5G 2024. This phone has been launched with powerful features and a stunning design. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. So, without any delay, let's get started. Friends, the Moto G Stylus 5G 2024 is here, the latest addition to Motorola's G series. It comes with a vegan leather finish and a built-in stylus that can be used for taking notes and photo editing. This phone features a 𝙏𝙚𝙘𝙝𝙛𝙤𝙀𝙗 display that supports a 120 Hz refresh rate. Speaking of the camera, it includes a 𝙏𝙚𝙘𝙝𝙀 camera. With its large battery, the smartphone meets all your needs. Now, talking about the price, the Moto G Stylus 5G 2024 is priced at $399 or 99 cent, which is around 33,000 Indian rupees. It's available in caramel latte and scarlet wave color options and has currently launched in the US market with sales starting on May 30th. You can purchase it from Best Buy, Amazon, AT&T, and T-Mobile. Now let's get into the features and specifications. The Moto G Stylus 5G 2024 offers a 𝙏𝙚𝙘𝙝𝙀𝙗 Full HD POD display with 1200 nits peak brightness and a 240 Hz touch sampling rate. The built-in stylus makes tasks much easier. In terms of the camera setup, the phone has a 𝙏𝙚𝙘𝙝 rear camera supporting optical image stabilization OIS, a 𝙏𝙚 ultra-wide camera, and a 𝙏𝙚 selfie camera. The rear camera can record full HD video at 60 Hz and slow motion at 120 Hz. For processing, this phone is equipped with the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 5G SoC, supporting 5G connectivity. It has 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, expandable up to 2 TB with a micro card. Additionally, Dolby Atmos support enhances the audio experience. The Moto G Stylus 5G 2024 includes a 5000 mAh battery with 30W fast charging and 15W wireless charging. For connectivity, it features Type-C, a 3.5mm audio jack, dual-band Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 5.1. This phone runs on Android 14 and includes an in-display fingerprint scanner for security. So friends, this was the full review of the Moto G Stylus 5G 2024. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with more tech news and updates. Thank you.